Everything looked under control until one overloaded forklift changed everything. An overloaded forklift can become unstable in seconds, exceeding the rated capacity, increases the risk of tip-overs, dropped loads, and serious injuries. Always check the load weight, keep the forks low while traveling, and never exceed the forklift's rated capacity. Safe operation protects everyone on the job site. One small mistake can lead to a life-changing accident. Follow OSHA safety practices every time you operate a forklift. If this safety
Stop. Walking behind a moving forklift could cost you your life. Forklift operators have large blind spots, especially behind the machine. They may not see you. Never walk behind a forklift while it's moving or reversing. Always stay out of the danger zone. Make eye contact with the operator before crossing. If they can't see you, don't move. Use marked pedestrian walkways and keep a safe distance from operating. One safe decision can...
A warehouse worker was in a hurry to finish his shift. He jumped onto a forklift and started driving without checking his surroundings. While turning a corner, he was looking at his phone instead of the path ahead. Suddenly, the forklift struck a storage rack. Heavy boxes fell from above and narrowly missed. One small mistake could have caused a serious injury or even death. Always inspect your forklift before use. Stay alert. Never use your phone while operating equipment. Safety isn't about working faster. It's about going home alive. Think safe. Work safe.
He couldn't see what was in front of him, and one block view nearly caused a deadly accident. When a load blocks your forward view, you may not see workers, vehicles, or hidden hazards. One blind spot is all it takes for a serious accident. If your load blocks your vision, travel in reverse when it's safe, use a train spotter when needed, and always keep the load low for better visibility. 8 cons clear visibility saves lives. Never operate a forklift if you can't see where you're going. Following OSHA safety practices protects everyone on the job site. If this safety tip helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who operates a forklift. Stay safe.
Stop! Don't take another step. The forklift driver can't see you. One more second. The worker unknowingly stepped into the forklift's blind spot. When a forklift is carrying a load, the operator's view can be completely blocked, making it impossible to see pedestrians ahead. Always use designated pedestrian walkways whenever they're available. Never cross in front of or behind a moving forklift unless the operator has clearly seen you. Before crossing, make eye contact with the forklift operator and wait for a clear signal. Never assume the driver knows you're there. Keep a safe distance from moving forklifts, raised forks, and suspended loads. Staying outside the danger zone is one of the simplest ways to prevent serious injuries. Every forklift accident is preventable when workers stay alert and follow safety rules. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for daily workplace safety tips, OSHA guidance, and real-life accident prevention videos.